Hey besties, too tired for skincare? Too busy? Or just not in the mood for a 10-step routine? Same, this is the ultimate lazy girl skincare routine. Quick, easy, and actually works. Let's glow with minimal effort, the 3-step routine. Let's be honest, you don't need 10 products to glow up. This routine, only 3 to 4 steps, takes under 5 minutes, and works for every skin type. Step 1, gentle cleanser. Clean skin is glowing skin, but don't overdo it. Use a non-stripping, gentle cleanser once a day, usually at night. Morning, just rinse with water. That's enough. Step 2, hydrating toner or mist. Lazy tip, use a spray toner or facial mist. 1 spritz. That's it. Instant refresh, and helps your skin absorb your next product. Step 3, moisturizer. No serums, no oils, just one good moisturizer. Look for ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, ceramides. Want daytime glow? Choose one with SPF, so you can skip sunscreen. No excuses. Now, here's where the real glow up happens. Hack 1, use multitasking products. Moisturizer plus SPF, toner plus serum. Less steps equals more consistency. Hack 2, keep your products visible out of sight equals out of mind. Put them on your desk, by your bed, in your shower. If you see them, you'll use them. Hack 3, mask while you chill watching Netflix, doing homework. Pop on a hydrating sheet mask, or sleep in an overnight mask. Glowing while doing nothing? Yes, please. Hack 4, drink water but make it cute. Skin glows from the inside too. Get a pretty water bottle. Sip all day. Hydration equals glow. Here's the truth. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. The secret? Consistency. Even if you just do these 3 steps, cleanse, moisturize, SPF, you're doing more than most people. So if you've been feeling lazy, overwhelmed, or didn't know where to start, this is your sign to glow up without the pressure. Drop a comment if you want a lazy girl night routine or a glow up challenge next.